Hey, guys, I don't know about you, but the weather is getting colder. So with that being said, guys, I absolutely love making homemade drinks and homemade tea. So right now I was actually juicing and I had some leftover pineapple skin, and I thought, you know what, well, let me do my delicious, refreshing, tasty pineapple tea. So as you guys can see, I've got ginger, I've got sliced orange, and I've got the skin of the pineapple. You don't need much for this tea. I didn't grate the ginger. I just kind of sliced them up and chucked it in there, and I sliced some oranges, and I've got the pineapple skin. Depending on the quantity, you can definitely add more. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some brown sugar, just about a spoon of brown sugar, just to give it a little bit of a sweetness, you know. If you don't want to add the brown sugar, you can just add a teaspoon of honey at the end, or you can just have it pure raw. You do not need to add any more sweetness because you'll get the sweetness from the orange, okay? I love making this tea because it helps with bloating, it's great for anti-inflammatory, and it's great for your digestive system. I'm actually going to add some ground cinnamon. If I had a stick, I would put cinnamon stick, but I actually don't. I've only got the ground, but you can do either or if you've got the stick or if you've got the ground. So either or works perfectly. Just want to put it on medium heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so. You don't want to overcook anything, but guys, if you haven't seen it already, make sure you check out all my homemade tea recipes. I'll put the link at the bottom in the comments, and I'll also check out this video here, okay? If you want any anti-inflammatory tea recipe, homemade recipe, quick and easy to do, check out my videos that I've made in the past, and go and view those videos. So this is it. So the tea has boiled. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes and everything has simmered down. So this is it. I'm just gonna put it on a sieve and then take all the extra bits out, okay? And then this is it. Only 10-15 minutes, you can have this delicious, refreshing tea, perfect for this time of the year, and it's just absolutely delicious. And there you have it. This is what it comes out as: refreshing, delicious, quick and easy. Make it in no time. So yeah, if you want to keep the cold away, you don't want to have any issues in this cold months, this is a perfect drink for you, okay?